How to use WhatsApp Web on computer. Using WhatsApp Web on your computer allows you to access your WhatsApp messages and media through a web browser. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to set it up. 1. Requirements asterisk. Make sure you have an active WhatsApp account on your smartphone. Ensure that your smartphone has a stable internet connection. 2. Update WhatsApp asterisk. Ensure that you have the latest version of WhatsApp installed on your smartphone. You can update it from your device's App Store, Google Play Store for Android or App Store for iPhone. 3. Open WhatsApp Web on your computer asterisk. Open a web browser on your computer, example Google Chrome, Firefox, Safari. Go to the WhatsApp Web website, web.whatsapp.com, https://web.whatsapp.com. 4. QR code scan asterisk. On the WhatsApp web page, you will see a QR code displayed. 5. Open WhatsApp on your smartphone asterisk. Open the WhatsApp app on your smartphone. For Android, tap the three dots in the top right corner and select WhatsApp Web. For iPhone, go to Settings WhatsApp Web. 6. Scan the QR code asterisk. Use your smartphone to scan the QR code displayed on the computer screen. 7. Connection confirmation asterisk. Once the QR code is scanned, your WhatsApp account on the smartphone will be linked to the web browser on your computer. 8. Start using WhatsApp Web asterisk. You should now see your WhatsApp chats, messages, and contacts on the computer screen. You can send and receive messages, images, and other media from your computer. 9. Log out when finished asterisk. When you're done using WhatsApp Web, make sure to log out for security reasons. On the computer, click on the three dots in the top left corner of the WhatsApp web page and select Log out. Important tips asterisk. Ensure that your smartphone stays connected to the internet to keep WhatsApp Web active. Be cautious when using public computers to access WhatsApp Web for privacy and security reasons. WhatsApp Web mirrors the messages from your smartphone, so it needs to be connected to the internet. By following these steps, you should be able to use WhatsApp Web on your computer seamlessly.